हेलो एवरीवन, फिर से लेकर आया हूँ आपके लिए नया टॉपिक सेल फंक्शंस एंड टाइप्स, जिसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन रहेंगे 48। तो ऐसे ही आपको स्पेशल टॉपिक मिलते रहेंगे फिजिकल एजुकेशन के चैनल पर। तो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन बटन को प्रेस करें ताकि इन फ्यूचर आने वाले वीडियोज भी मिलते रहें, क्योंकि यहाँ पर केवल एग्जाम्स की तैयारी होती है। तो बिना कोई टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए हम लोग चलते हैं स्क्रीन पर। आपको बता दूं, यह पेपर इंग्लिश में रहेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द लार्जेस्ट सेल इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज नर्व सेल, मसल सेल, लीवर सेल, किडनी सेल। करेक्ट आंसर इज ए नर्व सेल. Explanation is given below. Please read it. Question number 2, the barrier between the protoplasm and the other environment is an animal cell. Cell wall, nuclear membrane, tonoplast, plasma membrane. Correct answer is D, plasma membrane. The term cell was given by Van Hoek, Robert Hooke, Fleming, Robert Brown. Correct answer is B, Robert Brown. Who proposed the cell theory? Sheldon and Swan, Watson and Crick, Darwin and Wallace, Mendel and Morgan. Answer A is correct, Sheldon and Swan. A plant cell differs from an animal cell in the absence of endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosome, centrioles. Correct answer is D, centrioles. Centrosome is found in cytoplasm, nucleus, chromosomes, nucleolus. Correct answer is A, cytoplasm. The powerhouse of a cell is chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, nucleus. Answer B is correct, mitochondria. Within a cell, the site of respiration means oxidation is the ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer C is correct, mitochondria. Which is called suicidal bag? Centrosomes, lysosomes, mesosomes, chromosomes. Answer B is correct, lysosomes. Ribosomes are the center for respiration, photosynthesis, protein synthesis, fat synthesis. Answer C is correct, photosynthesis. Double membrane is absent in mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, lysosome. Answer D is correct, lysosome. Cell organelle found only in plants is Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes. Answer A is correct, Golgi apparatus. Organism lacking nucleus and membrane and cell organelle are diploids, prokaryotes, haploids, eukaryotes. Answer B is correct, prokaryotes. Animal cell is limited by plasma membrane, cell wall, basement membrane. Answer A is correct, plasma membrane. The network of endoplasmic reticulum is present in the nucleus, nucleolus, cytoplasm, chromosomes. Answer C is correct, cytoplasm. Lysosomes are reservoirs of fat RNA, secretory glycoprotein, hydrolytic enzymes. Answer D is correct, hydrolytic enzymes. The membrane surrounding the vacuole of plant cell is called tonoplast, plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, cell wall. Answer A is correct, tonoplast. Cell secretion is done by plastids, Golgi apparatus, nucleus. Answer C is correct, Golgi apparatus. Centrioles are associated with DNA synthesis, reproduction, spindle formation, respiration. Answer C is correct, spindle formation. Main difference between animal cell and plant cell is chromosomes, ribosomes, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer A is correct, chromosomes. Animal cell lacking nuclei but also lacking chromosomes, ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer A is correct, chromosome. Plasmolysis occurs due to absorption, endosmosis, osmosis, exosmosis. Answer D is correct, exosmosis. A plant cell becomes target due to plasmolysis, exosmosis, endosmosis, electrolysis. Answer C is correct, endosmosis. If the solute concentration is higher in an external solution, then the solution is called as hypertonic, isotonic, hypertonic, none of the above. Answer C is correct, hypertonic. A cell placed in hypertonic solution will shrink, So plasmolysis, swell up, no charge in shape or size. Answer C is correct. Swell up. The radiant energy of sunlight is converted to chemical energy and is stored as AMP, ADP, ATP, APP. Answer C is correct. ATP. Which of the following organelle does not have membrane? Ribosome, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria. Answer A is correct. Ribosome. Root hair absorb water from soil through osmosis, active transport, diffusion, endocytosis. Answer A is correct. Osmosis. The number of lenses this compound light microscope is 2, 3, 4, 1. Answer B is correct. 3. The history of the cell began in 1665 with the publication of Micrographia in London by Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, Strasburger, Dujardin. Answer A is correct. Robert Hooke. Cell inclusions are non-living materials present in the cytoplasm. Another name of cell organelle. Cytoskeletal framework of cell. Combined name of cell wall and plasma membrane. Answer A is correct. Non-living materials present in cytoplasm. Which cell organelle is not bounded by a membrane? Ribosome, lysosome, AR, nucleus. Answer A is correct. Ribosome. Which of the following cellular part possess a double membrane? Nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, all of the above. Answer B is correct. Chloroplast. Cristae and oxysomes are associated with mitochondria, plastids, Golgi apparatus, plasma membrane. Answer A is correct. Mitochondria. Karyotheca is another name of nuclear envelope, nucleus, nuclear pore, nucleolus. Answer A is correct. Nuclear envelope. Cell organelle that act as supporting skeletal framework of the cell is Golgi apparatus, nucleus, mitochondria, ER. Answer C is correct. Mitochondria. Plastids are present in animal cell only, plant cell only, both animal cell and plant cells, neither animal nor plant cell. Answer B is correct. Plant cell only. Cell wall of plant is chiefly composed of hemicellulose, cellulose, phospholipids, proteins. Answer B is correct. Cellulose. Intercellular connections of plant cell are called middle lamella, microfibrils, matrix, plasmodesmata. Answer A is correct. Middle lamella. Genes are located on the chromosomes, nucleus, nuclear membrane, plasma membrane. Answer A is correct. Chromosomes. Chromatin consists of RNA, DNA, and histones, means proteins. Answer D is correct. DNA, RNA and histones. Different type of chromosomes recognized by the position of the following separating the two arms: centromere, genes, spindle, nucleus. Answer B is correct. Genes. Name of the process that required energy provided by ATP: diffusion, osmosis, active transport, plasmolysis. Answer C is correct. Active transport. The function of the cristae is in mitochondria is electron transport and ATP synthesis, carbon assimilation, intake of O2, elimination of CO2. Answer A is correct. Electron transport and ATP synthesis, carbon assimilation. The largest cell organelle is nucleus, AR, chloroplast, a mitochondria. Answer is correct. Nucleus. Nobel Prize of RNA synthesis was awarded to Kornberg, S. Ochoa, H. Khorana, Nirenberg. Answer B is correct. S. Ochoa. Nitrogenous base of RNA are uracil and adenine, thymine and uracil, adenine, guanine and cytosine, thymine, adenine, guanine and cytosine. Answer C is correct. Uracil, adenine, guanine and cytosine. In the mitochondria, cytochromes are localized in matrix, outer membrane, inner membrane. Between the inner and outer माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन्स। आंसर डी इज करेक्ट, बिटवीन द इनर एंड आउटर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन्स। इस प्रकार ये 48 क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज पूरी होती है, जो कि एक सेल से रिलेटेड थी। सेल का हमारे शरीर में क्या काम होता है ये भी इसके माध्यम से बता दिया गया है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। इसको लाइक एंड शेयर कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।